Hey, what's going on? This is my 15 Street Bob. Bought this bone stock about a year and a half ago, and when I first started this build, I knew for sure that I wanted to get some hard saddlebags on it instead of the leather ones. And after looking around, there wasn't a lot of options for this bike, and I came across Viking, and from the looks of it online, it looked like it was the perfect option for what I needed. They're hard bags. The mounting is very secure. They don't shake around a lot at all while you're riding. They do have the options for the shot cutout. I didn't opt into that one. I wanted them to sit a little bit higher, so I ended up going with these. They do lock, so anytime you put anything in here, going to a bike night or going to an event, you know you can walk away and not worry about anything getting taken off of your bike. As you can see, they mount very well depending on whatever bike that you want to put them on. The mounting is easy. All it is a few bolts. As you can see there, you got 2 up top, 2 on bottom. You drill your holes. From start to finish, within about an hour, you should be up and riding, ready to go.